The future of UX is here, and it's looking suspiciously like the end of traditional UI design. According to Jacob Nielsen at UX Tigers, we can soon say goodbye to beautifully crafted interfaces, pixel-perfect designs, and even, brace yourselves, accessibility guidelines. Instead of scrolling endlessly, clicking your way through endless websites, your AI agent will handle all that tedious browsing for you. Think of your AI agent like your personal assistant, only less moody and infinitely more patient. This isn't about chatbots that wait for your command. We're talking fully autonomous agents like OpenAI's Operator or Google's Gemini Assistant, handling tasks from ordering groceries to scheduling your next holiday. So, what's an AI agent exactly? Simple. It's a program smart enough to sense, decide, and act on your behalf. With minimal human oversight. Imagine Siri, but actually useful. Sorry, Siri. But unlike the lovable yet frustrating Clippy from the 90s, remember him, Microsoft's infamous helper who never quite got what you were doing? Today's agents can genuinely reason, learn from experience, and adapt to your needs. Now, Jacob highlights that we've seen plenty of false starts over the years, from overly optimistic, intelligent agents in the 90s to the limited voice assistants of the 2010s. Each wave brought excitement, followed quickly by disappointment. So why now? What changed? Nielsen says it's simple. AI finally understands context. It knows when it's reading a restaurant review versus filling in your tax details. It can handle multiple sources of information simultaneously, adapting its actions across diverse websites, and it's progressing rapidly. Tasks that stump AI agents today, like filing your expense reports, will become trivial in just a couple of years. Here's where things get interesting or alarming, depending on your career trajectory. As agents become the primary web users, traditional UI design becomes obsolete. If humans aren't directly interacting with your websites, do aesthetics matter? Will anybody even see your carefully chosen color palette if only an AI is reading your site? Probably not. What matters will be functionality, ensuring agents easily extract and act on your content. Forget designing for eyeballs, you're designing for algorithms. This shift means goodbye to accessibility standards as we've known them. Disabled users will leverage personalized AI agents tailored specifically to their needs, completely sidestepping traditional accessibility issues. If you're visually impaired, your agent will interpret visual content effortlessly. Mobility issues? Your agent navigates flawlessly on your behalf. Literacy challenges? Your agent simplifies content automatically. In short, agents make the web universally accessible, ironically by removing human users from direct interaction. And yes, websites will still exist, at least for a while, because we're currently stuck in a transitional period. Humans will gradually cede control to agents, but we're not fully there yet. Think of it as training wheels for the next era of digital interactions. Websites today see traffic from both humans and AI agents, and this mixed-use scenario will linger for several years. Eventually, though, human visits might vanish entirely. What's the key takeaway here for UX professionals? Adapt and fast. Jacob Nielsen advises focusing your skills on designing information structures optimized for agent interactions. SEO isn't dead, but it's about to evolve dramatically. Your future target audience is algorithms, not eyeballs. But don't despair. Branding and content will remain crucial. Your visuals, your voice, your distinctive style will still matter, but you'll be catering them to a new kind of intermediary. Instead of pretty interfaces, we'll obsess over providing clean and structured content optimized for an agent's relentless efficiency. So, while your career in traditional UI might not disappear overnight, consider shifting your attention towards agent-centered design strategies. It's an exciting, slightly terrifying, but ultimately inevitable transformation. And remember, your next user might not be a user at all. It could be a tireless virtual assistant happily doing all the clicking and scrolling for us. For now, Nielsen's advice is clear. Embrace the coming change, but proceed cautiously. Treat AI agents like a donkey-pulled cart. Move slowly, load carefully, and keep a close eye on their progress. So here's to the future. Fewer buttons, fewer clicks, and definitely fewer drop-downs. And yes, farewell accessibility checklists. It's been real. Welcome to the agent-driven era.